Hey guys, thank you so much for liking my previous video, and today I'm really very excited to shoot this video as it's regarding my favorite makeup look, that is Indian wedding look. This video is for all of those who are struggling to find a right makeup artist or who want to do their makeup themselves for any event or function. All best thing about this look is it can go with both your western and also with your ethnic outfits. So without any further delay, let's get started. First step is primer, and for primer today I'll be using this face oil by Nykaa. I'll be doing my eye makeup first, so let's get started with the eyebrows. Eyebrows, I'll be mixing two shades of brown and black. I like to keep it very natural, so I'm just filling my gaps. Same on the other side. I'll be applying concealer all over my lids, and for concealer I am using this LA Girl concealer. The shade is medium beige. Same on the other side. For a smoky look, I'll be using this palette by Morphe. For crease line, I'll be using these warm undertones. Then a little deeper color. Blending it outwards towards your eyebrows. After completing my crease line, I'll be applying a black shade to the lids. For eyelids, I'll be using gel liner by Maybelline. Always remember guys to take a very minimal quantity of this product and smudging it immediately. Now I'll apply a powder eyeshadow to fix my gel liner. Now I'll be applying black shade to give it more intense look. Same on the other side. After completing this much look, I'll be starting up with the face makeup. First step is color corrector, and for color corrector I'll be using this LA Girl Pro HD concealer. To apply my concealer, I'll be using this pat brush 285. I'll be applying this orange color corrector to the areas where I have some pigmentation. After color correction, let's move on to the concealer. For concealer, I'll be using again LA Girl Pro Concealer by the shade Natural. Next, I'll be smudging my concealer. After my concealer, let's move on to the foundation. For foundation, I'll be using this Forever 52 foundation by the shade FLF 005. I'll be using this brush by Nykaa. always drag the product towards your neck. I'll be smudging my foundation with a sponge. After foundation, let's move on to the contour. Contour, I'll be using this palette by Makeup Studio. Always remember guys to blend your contour upwards for the cheekbones. Contouring my chin area. Contouring nose a little bit. After contouring is done, comes the next part, that is cream highlighting. For cream highlighting, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. The shade is Cool Nude. Smudging my highlighter with this triangle sponge. After contouring and highlighting, let's move on to the cream blush. For cream blush, I'll be using this lipstick by L'Oreal. So after completing this cream blush, let's move on to the powder blush. For powder blush, I'll be using this blush by Calabar. Taking it a very small quantity. Always smile while applying your blush. Now I'm just going to set my makeup with this compact by Forever 52. After completing the powder blush, let's move on to the eyes. So for eyes, I'll just be smoking out to the lower lash line also. Now I'll be doing highlighting. Highlighter, I'm using this highlighter by Becca Cosmetics. I'll be highlighting my nose, my cupid's bow, my arch, the other side, eye corners, and little bit on my chin. With a fluffy brush, I'll be highlighting my cheekbones. Can you see the sheer effect it gives you with just a minimal quantity of the product? I just love this highlighter deeply and madly. After completing this much look, let's move on to the final part, that is lipstick. We have done a smoky look. Let's keep the lips a very neutral lipstick. I'll be using this lipstick by Ricoh. This is it guys, so this is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Also, you can give me ideas for my next makeup video in the comment section. Okay, see you. Bye bye.